Hi friends, today's lesson is for Module 1, Lesson 36. Our learning goal for today says, I can model one less, or like taking one away. Now, why do we model what we're doing? Yeah, we want to show people all of our good thinking and all the work we're doing, right? Okay, perfect. Let's talk about how we can model showing taking one away or making it one less. Like say I started with these tacos. How many tacos do I have, friends? Can you count them for me, please? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yes, there's 8 delicious tacos. Now, if I said I had 8, but one less is, what could I do to that picture to show that I'm taking one away? Yeah, I could scribble it out. You're right, I could do that. Or, I could just put an X on it. That's nice and neat. And I love to stay organized. If we scribble scrabble, we might accidentally scribble over a different taco. And let's just all agree, the more tacos we have, the better. Okay, so if we take one away, how many tacos do we have left? Well, our model can help us figure it out because our X means that that one's not there anymore. So we just have to count the ones that are X'd out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So I could say 8 and 1 less is 7. See how our good model shows that thinking? Ugh, we're so good. All right, let's try another one. Oh, more food. This is making me hungry. All right, friends, how many cheeseburgers do you see? Go ahead and count them. Yes, good job. There are 6 delicious burgers there. Okay, if I have 6 and I want to show one less, how could I model that in my picture? What did we say was a good idea to show that we're taking one away so that we have one less than what we started with? Oh, you're so smart. Yeah, let's put an X on it. How come an X is better than just like scribbling it out so we can't see anymore? Yeah, because like what if we accidentally scribble and we get too excited and we actually scribble out an extra one? We don't want to do that. One quick X is really neat and organized, and that's very important in math so everyone can see our good thinking on the paper. All right, who can tell me? 6 and then 1 less is, how many burgers are left after we take that one away? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah, 5. Oh, I cannot trick you. You guys are so good. What about if we start with a lot of something? Oh, those are so delicious. I decided when this lesson is over, I'm going to go eat a snack because I'm just hungry now. How many cookies do you see, friends? Go ahead and count them for me, will you please? Oh my goodness, you are such a good counter. Did you say 9? Yeah, look at, I saw that 5 group. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. If I have 9 and I take one less or I take one away, how can I model that in my good picture? You're right. I can put an X there. And then how could I use my picture to help me figure out what the answer is? Yeah, I can count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. See, when I'm organized and I have a beautiful picture that matches what I'm talking about, it's a lot easier to figure out the answer. I can use all the tools that I just created. Awesome. Hey friends, our learning goal said I can model one less. And that's exactly what we did today. And you were such a big help, so thank you. All right, this is what I would like you to do. I have 5 counters right there. Whoopsie, wrong button. I have 5 counters. I want you to go ahead on your dry erase board and draw those 5 counters. And then I want you to model taking one away. Okay, do you remember how to do that? So draw your 5 counters and then model showing that one was taken away, that you have one less. Good luck, friends.